since I record. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Money Track Man back on another video. So right now I'm in my uncle's workshop because we're working on the truck. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If y'all didn't know I was rolling like this, dang, that's actually really over pressure. That's pressure on that. If y'all didn't know he was rolling like that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And he also works on like buses and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I can show y'all. You know what I'm saying? He works on the buses and all that. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I haven't recorded in a minute. If y'all wonder why I haven't been recording, because I've been sitting down, like doing me. You know what I'm saying? Trying to work on myself. You know what I'm saying? Better myself and all that. But that's all personal for me. You know what I'm saying? And also, I just been taking a little break so to see how I can come back with bangers. And also, if y'all don't know, next month is my birthday, which is May 10th. So I'm gonna be uploading every day till my birthday. Hopefully, even if it's just little videos, I'm just gonna upload every day. I'm trying my best to upload every day. Even if it's a boring video, dude, I gotta upload it. Cause I gotta upload every day to my birthday. Saying it's my birthday month. I plan to upload every day during that month. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go big. My tripod's still not here. Eric's came. You know what I'm saying? It's not M2K's came. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We both bought tripods online, and mine hasn't come yet. So I am mad because it said it's somewhere unknown. I can show y'all. No, I'm not gonna show you because that's personal. There's also personal info like tracking. I did all that. I don't want people tracking my shit. So but yeah, guys. Yeah. Basically, I'm a little mad because practice ain't come yet, but hopefully it comes today, man. That's what I'm hoping for. But I'm gonna catch y'all when something else happens.
Just two openings. Who's the lock? Okay, check out the ties, okay? Check them out, right? Check this tie out especially.
Come, let's start using this angle. Let's see.
Okay, start up with the air.
Black sheep. Oh yeah, y'all trying to see a start up. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. It got airbags, by the way, so it goes up and down. Alright, guys.
It's good.
Finish. Basically.
Come on, man. Probably a little bit wrong. Left. Alright.
Alright, seems like we're good. It's a little late, just a little air. Like, I don't know, there's somebody more. Okay, I'll catch y'all.
Bye.
Huh? It was sitting for mad long. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the vlog, man. Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy, man. I'm about to be out, about to set up my basketball hoop, and it's not even bright out. As you can see, well, you can't see from there, I forgot. As you can see, it's not even, actually, no, it is bright out, actually, a little. I'm not gonna record me, doing any balling or anything. But I'm about to go set up a hoop. I just bought a new ball, and all that, so, yeah, guys. So, I'm gonna catch y'all maybe Monday if the thing comes to tripod. It's Sunday right now. This is gonna be up on Sunday, even though I don't upload on Sundays. This is special. So I'm gonna catch y'all, alright guys? This is what King Money Savage. And I'm out.
Yeah, you a broke boy and she can't take a loss, so she leaving with me. Who? DDG, why you paying for pussy? I'm fucking for free. Yeah.